everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Use Your Stash Friday, and today I'm actually going to show my kit for my card making. I need to make cards, so I want to make some for my stash. I want to make some for my church. So my goal for this week is to make 10 cards. So today's actually Monday when I'm filming this. So the same day on Friday, you will see how many cards I have made. So my inspiration for my DIY card kit is this Millie and June Fancy Pants 6x6 paper pad. So I'm trying to use my 6x6 paper pads because I have quite a bit. And this one I had purchased a few years ago off of somebody, they had a D-stash. So I'll just do a quick flip. And I don't think I might have used maybe one page out of this, 2 pages. So, and the inspirations are these colors, these beautiful colors. Hopefully you can see them okay. My lighting is not that great. Just turn it this way. And hopefully you can see it better. So these are, I believe, double, let's see, 36 sheets, 3 of each. So I really like these polka dots here, right here. And then I like these flowers. And this gold is nice for a background. And also there was another polka dot. Where is it? There's a black one. So because, oh, this one, that's gorgeous. So I'm looking forward to using that. So my inspiration. And then I am adding on these 2 paper pads, the Twilight One Canoe 2. I figure with the navy, I can add some navy, even a pop of that pink. And also, since it's only one-sided, I can make the card base and then layer up on that. And then this indigo and ivy. So on the Twilight Canoe, is it Twilight? Twilight by One Canoe. One Canoe 2. That paper pad, all the papers were shown on the front. So I don't want to waste your time with the flip through with that, but I can just show this one really quick. And oh, actually it's on the back. So this one has solids. So that's one of the main reasons why I thought the solids would be good for backgrounds. And because it's also one-sided, I could just use those. And there's a couple of specialty papers. So I'll be using that, or I have plans to use this paper pad. Let's see. Here's a couple of extra card bases I have that were in my stash. These are like kind of shimmery. I don't know if you can see it, but that, and then this blue color, navy blue. So I have 7 of these card bases. So if I need these, I have these available to me. Also, this is a lot, but these are from the Planner Society. So these are like the backgrounds where you get your stickers and the glitter edgers and things like that. But some of these have like hearts. There's stars. So I figure I can use that like a background. This is just a plain one. So I did keep these, and yeah, if I need these, I can use these as well. As far as like extra little die cuts, I have these die cuts. So I put them in this container. These are just some from Felicity Jane. This is Zoe. So I have like the girl. I don't think, I might have used like a few flowers out of here. Birthday. I need to make birthday cards. I actually added this in there too. That's from Julie B. Nutting. That's her dolls. And then that one, they're cute. So I figured I can always add those. Celebrate, it's a party, flowers, tags. I can kind of show you on the back. I'll stick together this. That's pretty much some of the things that are in there. So because some stuff is already used, like I think maybe, or I might have even separated like the little tags and stuff, that's fine. I just wanted a few extra die cuts. And then I have these stars. These are Jenny chipboard stars that I can use. I have these flowers. Lots of pretty flowers. And last but not least, I have like little lace. And I have lace here in these bags. Plenty of little lace, different laces I can use, some ribbons. I have more, but these are just some that I stuck in a bag. So when I move, I just stuck a lot of my laces. They're in containers, so I just stuck them in here and I didn't actually put them back into containers. So I just have plenty of lace and also ribbon and just like these little bows, like a little bow. It's kind of a Mod Podge of things in here. So yeah, I have that. And then also you have to have your pretty pearls. So not those. I mean, I have different colors. Like those. Those would go actually. Because that blue. There's that blue in there. That would actually look really pretty. I have all kinds. I have like a green. Another pretty blue. Some like gold. That pretty pink. Some more blue. Those pretty designs. And that's like a lilac. But yes, I have plenty of those in there. Plus these ones on the string. Plus these little Melissa and Francis embellishments. I got these from a Scrapbook Expo years ago. And so yes, I have all those in here. And that actually would look really pretty with that as well. I have that. And then last but not least, I have these idea books. And I am not limited to stamps and my die cut machine. So if I want to use that, then I will also put that into the mix. This is close to my heart. These are like card ideas. So they give you like the measurements and everything. And they have those in here and here in the back. I've had these books for years. You can tell they're like all beat up and everything. So I think since 2014 or something like that. So about 8 or 9 years I've had these books. And these have been a saver as far as time saver as far as coming up with ideas and things like that. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my cards. And let me know if you're doing cards. I don't know if I said this, but my goal is 10 cards this week. So let's see if I can do that. Y'all have a great and blessed day or evening. Bye.